What are physical quantities? Physical quantities are those quantities which can be measured. Still confused? Let us take an example to understand it. Let's suppose you have a toy car and you want to know what is its size, how fast it moves, and how heavy it is. All these aspects which we talk about are namely size, speed, and weight respectively, and all these are known as physical quantities. Physical quantities are of two types, scalar and vector. Scalar quantities have only magnitude and need no direction to be specified, whereas vector quantities need both magnitude as well as direction to be specified. Remember the toy car? If we talk about its speed, we are giving no indication of its direction, and thus speed is a scalar quantity. But if we talk about the toy car's speed along with its direction, then it becomes its velocity, which is a vector quantity. Now we are going to talk about fundamental quantities. The 7 physical quantities which are used to describe other physical quantities are known as fundamental quantities. The first fundamental quantity is length, which is measured in meter. The second fundamental quantity is time, which is measured in seconds. The third fundamental quantity is mass, which is measured in kilograms. The fourth fundamental quantity is amount of substance, which is measured in mole. The fifth fundamental quantity is temperature, which is measured in Kelvin. The sixth fundamental quantity is electric current, which is measured in ampere. The seventh fundamental quantity is luminous intensity, which is measured in candela. Now think whether these 7 physical quantities can be expressed in the form of any other physical quantity. The answer is a big no. Now we are going to talk about derived quantities. These quantities are obtained from combining the fundamental quantities. For example, speed is distance over time, which gives us the unit of speed as meter per second in SI units.